Welcome, in front of me is a Motorola One Vision, and today I'll show you how to format the SD card. So to get started, let's pull down the notification panel, then tap on the settings icon, and now let's scroll down to storage, which is right here. Tap on your SD card, tap on three dots and go into the settings once more, so storage settings, and in here you should see format option. So let's tap on format SD card. Now it gives you a message that will remove all the data, so if there's anything that you would like to keep, you might want to do that before, but otherwise you can simply tap on it like I did. And now tap on done and you're finished. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.